بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ياسين والقرآن الحكيم إنك لمن المرسلين على صراط مستقيم تنزيل العزيز الرحيم لتنذر قوما ما أنذر آباؤهم فهم غافلون لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Yasin, by the Quran full of wisdom. Truly you, O Muhammad, are one of the messengers, on a straight path. This is a revelation sent down by the Almighty, the most merciful, in order that you may warn a people whose forefathers were not warned, and they are heedless. Indeed, the word of punishment has proved true against most of them, but they will not believe.
إنا جعلنا في أعناقهم أغلالا فهي إلى الأذقان فهم مقمحون وجعلنا من بين أيديهم سدا ومن خلفهم سدا فأغشيناهم فهم لا يبصرون وسواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون إنما تنذر من اتبع الذكر وخشي الرحمن بالغيب فبشره بمغفرة وأجر كريم.
Surely we have placed around their necks iron collars reaching to their chins, so that their heads are forced up. And we have put a barrier before them, and a barrier behind them, and we have covered them up so that they cannot see. It is the same to them whether you warn them or you do not warn them. They will not believe. You can only warn him who follows the reminder of the Quran and fears the most gracious Allah unseen. Bear to such a one the glad tidings of forgiveness and a generous reward in paradise.
إنا نحن نحيي الموتى ونكتب ما قدموا وآثارهم وكل شيء أحصيناه في إمام مبين.
Surely we give life to the dead, and we record that which they send before them, and their traces and footsteps, and all the good and evil that they did, and that which they leave behind them, and all things we have recorded with numbers in a clear book.
واضرب لهم مثلا أصحاب القرية إذ جاءها المرسلون إذ أرسلنا إليهم 2 فكذبوهما فعززنا بثالث فقالوا إنا إليكم مرسلون.
And put forward to them a parable, the story of the dwellers of the town when messengers came to them. When we sent 2 messengers to them, they denied them both. So we reinforced them with a 3rd, and they said, Surely we have been sent to you as messengers.
قالوا ما أنتم إلا بشر مثلنا وما أنزل الرحمن من شيء إن أنتم إلا تكذبون قالوا ربنا يعلم إنا إليكم لمرسلون وما علينا إلا البلاغ المبين قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم لئن لم تنتهوا لنرجمنكم وليمسنكم منا عذاب أليم.
They, the people of the town, said, You are only human beings like ourselves, and the most gracious Allah has revealed nothing. You are only telling lies. The messengers said, Our Lord knows that we have been sent as messengers to you, and our duty is only to convey the message plainly. The people said, We see an evil omen in you. If you do not cease, we will surely stone you, and a painful torment will come to you from us.
قالوا طائركم معكم أئن ذكرتم بل أنتم قوم مسرفون وجاء من أقصى المدينة رجل يسعى قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون.
The messengers said, Your evil omens be with you. Do you call it an evil omen because you are warned? No, but you are a people transgressing all bounds by committing all kinds of great sins and disobeying Allah. And there came running from the farthest part of the town a man, saying, O my people, obey the messengers. Obey those who ask no reward of you for themselves, and who are rightly guided.
وما لي لا أعبد الذي فطرني وإليه ترجعون أأتخذ من دونه آلهة إن يردني الرحمن بضر لا تغني عني شفاعتهم شيئا ولا ينقذون.
And why should I not worship him who has created me, and to whom you shall be returned? Shall I take besides him other gods? If Allah the Most Gracious intends me any harm, their intercession will be of no use for me whatsoever, nor can they save me.
إني إذا لفي ضلال مبين إني آمنت بربكم فاسمعون قيل ادخل الجنة قال يا ليت قومي يعلمون بما غفر لي ربي وجعلني من المكرمين.
Then surely I would be in plain error. Surely I have believed in your Lord, so listen to me. It was said to him when the disbelievers killed him, Enter paradise. He said, Would that my people knew that my Lord Allah has forgiven me and made me one of the honored ones.
وما أنزلنا على قومه من بعده من جند من السماء وما كنا منزلين إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم خامدون يا حسرة على العباد ما يأتيهم من رسول إلا كانوا به يستهزئون.
And we did not send against his people after him a host from heaven, nor do we send such things. It was but one cry, and behold, they were all silent. Alas for mankind! Never came a messenger to them, but they would mock him.
ألم يروا كم أهلكنا قبلهم من القرون أنهم إليهم لا يرجعون وإن كل لما جميع لدينا محضرون.
Do they not see how many generations we have destroyed before them? Surely they will not return, and surely every one of them will be brought before us.
وآية لهم الأرض الميتة أحييناها وأخرجنا منها حبا فمنه يأكلون وجعلنا فيها جنات من نخيل وأعناب وفجرنا فيها من العيون ليأكلوا من ثمره وما عملته أيديهم أفلا يشكرون.
And a sign for them is the dead land. We gave it life, and we brought forth from it grains, and they eat from them. And we have made their gardens of date palms and grapes, and we have caused springs of water to gush forth, so that they may eat of the fruit there, and their hands did not make it. Will they not then give thanks?
سبحان الذي خلق الأزواج كلها مما تنبت الأرض ومن أنفسهم ومما لا يعلمون وآية لهم الليل نسلخ منه النهار فإذا هم مظلمون والشمس تجري لمستقر لها ذلك تقدير العزيز العليم والقمر قدرناه منازل حتى عاد كالعرجون القديم لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل سابق النهار وكل في فلك يسبحون.
Glory be to him who has created all the pairs of that which the earth produces, as well as of their own kind, male and female, and that of which they do not know. And a sign for them is the night. We withdraw from them the day, and behold, they are in darkness. And the sun runs on a fixed course for an appointed term. That is the decree of the Almighty, the All-Knowing. And the moon. We have measured for it mansions to traverse, till it returns like the old, dried, curved date stalk. It is not for the sun to overtake the moon, nor does the night outstrip the day. They all float, each in an orbit.
وآية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم في الفلك المشحون وخلقنا لهم من مثله ما يركبون وإن نشأ نغرقهم فلا صريخ لهم ولا هم ينقذون إلا رحمة منا ومتاعا إلى حين.
And a sign for them is that we carried their ancestors in the laden ship, and we have created for them the same on which they ride. And if we willed, we could drown them, and there would be no helper for them to hear their cry, nor would they be saved, unless it be a mercy from us, and we let them enjoy for a while.
وإذا قيل لهم اتقوا ما بين أيديكم وما خلفكم لعلكم ترحمون وما تأتيهم من آية من آيات ربهم إلا كانوا عنها معرضين وإذا قيل لهم أنفقوا مما رزقكم الله قال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا أنطعم من لو يشاء الله أطعمه إن أنتم إلا في ضلال مبين.
And when it is said to them, beware of that which is behind you of worldly torment, and that which is before you of torment in the hereafter, in order that you may receive mercy. And never came a sign from among the proofs, signs, and revelations of their Lord to them, but they turned away from it. And when it is said to them, spend of that with which Allah has provided for you, those who disbelieve say to those who believe, shall we feed those whom, if Allah willed, He would have fed Himself? You are only in a plain error.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين ما ينظرون إلا صيحة واحدة تأخذهم وهم يخصمون فلا يستطيعون توصية ولا إلى أهلهم يرجعون.
And they say, when will this promise of the resurrection be fulfilled if you are truthful? They await only but a single cry, which will seize them while they are disputing. Then they will not be able to make a bequest, nor will they return to their family.
ونفخ في الصور فإذا هم من الأجداث إلى ربهم ينسلون قالوا يا ويلنا من بعثنا من مرقدنا هذا ما وعد الرحمن وصدق المرسلون إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم جميع لدينا محضرون فاليوم لا تظلم نفس شيئا ولا تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون.
And the trumpet will be blown, and behold, they will rise from their graves and come out rushing to their Lord. They will say, woe to us! Who has raised us up from our place of sleep? It will be said to them, this is what the most gracious Allah promised, and the messengers spoke the truth. It will be but a single cry, and behold, they will all be brought up before us. On this day, no one will be wronged in anything, nor will you be recompensed for anything except that which you used to do.
إن أصحاب الجنة اليوم في شغل فاكهون هم وأزواجهم في ظلال على الأرائك متكئون لهم فيها فاكهة ولهم ما يدعون سلام قولا من رب رحيم.
Surely the dwellers of paradise on that day will be busy in joyful things. They and their wives will be in a pleasant shade, reclining on thrones. They will have fruits there of all kinds, and all that they ask for. It will be said to them, Peace be upon you, a word from the Lord Allah, the most merciful.
وامتازوا اليوم أيها المجرمون ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين وأن اعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم ولقد أضل منكم جبلا كثيرا أفلم تكونوا تعقلون هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون.
It will be said, and you, O criminals, polytheists, sinners and disbelievers, separate yourselves this day from the believers. Did I not ordain for you, O children of Adam, that you should not worship Satan? Surely he is a plain enemy to you. And that you should worship me alone and set up no rivals with me. That is the straight path. And indeed, Satan led astray a great multitude of you. Did you not then understand? This is the hell of which you were promised. Burn there this day, for you used to disbelieve.
اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون ولو نشاء لطمسنا على أعينهم فاستبقوا الصراط فأنى يبصرون ولو نشاء لمسخناهم على مكانتهم فما استطاعوا مضيا ولا يرجعون.
This day we shall seal up their mouths, and their hands will speak to us, and their legs will bear witness to what they used to earn. And if it had been our will, we would surely have wiped out their eyes, so that they would struggle for the path. How then would they see? And if it had been our will, we could have transformed them into animals or lifeless objects in their places. Then they would have been unable to go forward, nor could they have turned back.
ومن نعمره ننكسه في الخلق أفلا يعقلون وما علمناه الشعر وما ينبغي له إن هو إلا ذكر وقرآن مبين لينذر من كان حيا ويحق القول على الكافرين.
And he whom we grant long life, we reverse him in creation and give him weakness after strength. Will they not then understand? And we have not taught Muhammad poetry, nor is it fitting for him. This is only a reminder and a plain Quran, that he may give warning to him who is living, and that the word may be justified against the disbelievers, as they rejected the warnings.
أولم يروا أنا خلقنا لهم مما عملت أيدينا أنعاما فهم لها مالكون وذللناها لهم فمنها ركوبهم ومنها يأكلون ولهم فيها منافع ومشارب أفلا يشكرون واتخذوا من دون الله آلهة لعلهم ينصرون لا يستطيعون نصرهم وهم لهم جند محضرون فلا يحزنك قولهم إنا نعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون.
Do they not see that we have created for them out of what our hands have created, the cattle, so that they are their owners? And we have subdued them for them, so that some of them they ride and some they eat. And they have other benefits from them besides, and they get milk to drink. Will they not then be grateful? And they have taken besides Allah other gods, hoping that they might be helped. They cannot help them, but they will be brought forward as a group against those who worship them at the time of reckoning. So do not let their speech grieve you, O Muhammad. Surely we know what they conceal and what they reveal.
أولم ير الإنسان أنا خلقناه من نطفة فإذا هو خصيم مبين وضرب لنا مثلا ونسي خلقه قال من يحيي العظام وهي رميم قل يحييها الذي أنشأها أول مرة وهو بكل خلق عليم.
Does not man see that we have created him from a tiny drop? Yet behold, he stands forth as an open opponent. And he puts forth a question to us and forgets his own creation. He says, Who will give life to these bones when they have rotted away and have become dust? Say, O Muhammad, He will give life to them, He who created them the first time around. And He is the all-knower of all creation.
الذي جعل لكم من الشجر الأخضر نارا فإذا أنتم منه توقدون أوليس الذي خلق السماوات والأرض بقادر على أن يخلق مثلهم بلى وهو الخلاق العليم.
He who produces for you fire out of the green tree, and behold, you kindle with it. Is not He who created the heavens and the earth able to create the like of them? Yes, indeed. He is the all-knowing Supreme Creator.
إنما أمره إذا أراد شيئا أن يقول له كن فيكون فسبحان الذي بيده ملكوت كل شيء وإليه ترجعون.
Surely His command when He intends a thing is only that He says, Be, and it is. So glorified is He, and exalted above all that they associate with Him, and in whose hands is the dominion of all things. And to Him you shall be returned.